Hey guys, today's problem is minimum Windows substring. So I'm going to solve this. So let's see what is the intuition behind this. So in this, what is saying that we have given two string s and t, and we have to find a substring in s such that all the characters of t should be there in the s substring, and it should be minimum. Okay, suppose this is the substring in b, a, and c. Okay, so b, a, and c. It is a minimum substring in which all the characters of A, B, C are there. A, B, C are here. So what can I think of is, suppose I take a pen. So what I can think of is take a two for loop in which I create two substring, like I got this substring, and check with the A. Does it contain all the values? If it not, then I'll go for the another and keep on doing this for a for loop. And this is the brute force. Okay, so I find the A, B, and C. So this is one substring. Okay, so this is the brute force that I can think is to use a two for loop to make the substrings. Then I can iterate. I have to compare this for a one for loop. That would be a n cube, minimum n cube. Okay, which is not a great solution to solve. What I can think of is to use a pointer method. Suppose let's take here thickness. Yeah. Suppose I have suppose the red denotes the ending and the s denotes the starting. Okay. Suppose I have the starting pointers here and the ending pointer is also here. So I have to increase the window of these two in which such that all the values of A, B, C are in that sub window. Okay. So what I can think of, I will use a hash map to make a substring hash map and a t hash map. T hash map would be A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equals to 1. Okay, so I got the A, so I'll increase the value of A to 1. I'll move to D equals to 1. Okay, I got the value A, which is equals to this in the starting. So what I will do is I'll use a variable which would be a match t. How many characters do I have to match in a t value, and match substring which is 1. Starting it would be 0, but I got the A and A equals to 1. Both our values are equal, so I will increase that value to 1. Okay. Okay, 1. Now I'll go to O, increase the value O. I'm not using O since, okay, okay, O, 1, B, 1. Okay, since the B is also 1 and B is also 1, so I'll increase the value to 2. I got the two match values. Okay, now I'll move to E, increase the value E to 1. Okay, then I'll go to C. C is also 1. No, C is 1 and C is 1. So match would be 3. So since I got the match both, in which each our values are equal, so then I got the substring. This is my substring. Okay, so I'll put a value res result, it means. Okay, and the substring would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 length. Okay, so 1 is problem this. Okay, so now what I have to do is keep on decreasing the length of this window. Now suppose this is A, I got the 6. Now what I will do is put this characters to 1 point ahead, and by this will become 0, and since this becomes 0, the match value would be 2. Since I got the B and C in the substring of this substring but not A, So if I didn't get a value that is not matching, then I have to increase this character of the pointer to ahead, like O, D, E, B, A. Now I got the A. Now what I will do is decrease the substring to B, B. Now I have two B's, so I can just keep on moving. E, C, D, O, E, E, B. Oh, wait. I have 1, 2, and 3. So I will stop here. Okay, I stop here, and I got the string. Got the another string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got the value 5. So I will make this 5. Okay. Now I will keep on. Now I will decrease this. Move this pointer ahead. I used a different color. Now I use a different this. Now I got the C less, so I will keep on increasing A and C. I got the C. Now I increase the pointer, starting pointer, D, C, B, N. At this position I got the value. If I keep on increasing, then the B will be less, and the value would be this. A P, A, and C. So this is the intuition behind this. This is the approach what I will do. Okay, so let's jump into the code section. Okay, so first of all, let's do a base case. Suppose I have S and not T, or I have T but not S. So if not S or not T, then what I have to do, return an empty string. Okay, this is a base case in which the suppose S is there or T is there but not T or not S, so I have to return an empty string. Okay, now len S would be length of string S, and len T would be len of string T. Okay, this is the length of the S and T strings. Okay, now what I have to do now is take a two pointers, the basic approach. Okay, let me teach you how to do if you have found this approach and how to code. So first of all, basic result. Okay, result. Okay, now I need, it could be a 0 of length. Okay, so let's make it at -1. Suppose I have I didn't find anything, so this would be -1. Okay, so result. No, I have to return the, okay, this. So suppose this tells me the length of the minimum substring in the S. Okay, basic approach. Now since I got the length, but I need a starting and the ending point of that substring. So for that I can use two pointers, starting. Okay, substart would be 0 and sub end also be 0. Means it is the starting and the ending points of the minimum substring. Okay, this is the main thing. Now I got the two things, so I can use this for finding the length and this for finding the starting and the ending point of the substring. Okay, now I have to make a hash map of this T value. Okay, so dictionary of T. Okay, dictionary T equal for I in T, dictionary T dictionary T equals to dictionary 1 if I not in dictionary T, else dictionary T plus I plus 1. Means if I is not in dictionary, then it would be 1, and if the I is in the dictionary, then it would be I plus dictionary T I plus 1. Okay, this is the main thing. So I got the count of the characters in the T string. Okay, now I have got how many characters do I have to match? Match T would be len of dictionary T. Okay, number of unique characters in the T string. Okay, so number of keys should be equal to the number of unique characters. Okay, so I found this match T. I have to use a match S for the substring. So I'll just copy this and paste number of unique characters in S substring. Okay, and that would be match sub, and it would be starting from 0. Okay, these, and I need a hash map to store the number of unique characters in a substring. So dictionary sub equals to an empty hash map. So this would be an empty hash map for the window of S. Okay, this is the window, this is the window, this is the window, this is the window. Okay, now I got all the characters that I need to go for a loop. Now these are the pointers which I use to travel in the S. Okay, so while sub end is less than len of string, the length of S. Okay, now the character E. Okay, char E, the character of the substring, that the pointer of substring of end. Okay, means this denotes a red pointer. This is the red character, so it would be sub end. Okay, now for all this, if I have to do this, then I have to add all these characters into this hash map. So dictionary sub char E equals to, simply just copying this. Okay, so I'm just adding the character in a dictionary substring subdictionary. Okay, this. Now I'm keep on just adding the dictionary. I'm keep on increasing the pointer and adding the value. Now what I have to do is check if, suppose I got the A, is it A available in this string, in this hash map? If yes, then I have to increase the and check if A is the number of counts of A is equal to number of counts of A in this string. So if character end in dictionary T and dictionary T count should be equal to dictionary sub of E or hash map, then if I got the same number of counts in dictionary T and hash map T and hash map sub, so what I have to do is match sub yeah, match sub plus 1 means I got a one match. Checking if the end pointer character counts is equal to t hash map means this character is in the t portion and the number of counts in hash map t is equals to hash map sub, so means I got the one match. Now suppose I got the match and I'm doing is, suppose I got all the matches, so I have to decrease the portion also. Okay, now suppose in this I'm keep on increasing, and one point I got all the matches, so means if I got that this and this equal, so suppose if match t equals to match sub, okay, then what I have to do, just simply basic thing, if I got all the matches, then what I have to do is increase, put that length into this values. Okay, but instead of finding each, I can use a while loop and it will serve me two things. In this I am keep on checking the substring have all the matches or not. Okay, and also decreasing the length of the window. Okay, so character s equals to s dot substart. Okay, substart. Now if I have all the matches, so what I have to do, just simply add the values. Suppose if I have all these matches, then what I have to do is if put the value in res. Okay, now if in the starting is res equal to -1 or res is greater than sub end minus sub start plus 1 means I have to change the value of the result if I got the minimum length window. Okay, so what I have to do is this equals to this. Okay, and change these values to the current. Did I just something mistake? I didn't use the pointers, I am using these. Okay, start and end 0, 0. These are the pointers. I have to change them. Okay, so I have to use end And yeah, that's all the little human error. This just came equals to start and end. Okay, yeah, that's up. And now suppose I am keep on decreasing the value, and some point I decrease this, so I have to decrease from this hash map also. So if character s in dictionary t, okay, dictionary t, and what can I think of is first decrease the value, the hash map sub character s minus 1, and this is the end dictionary sub hash map sub is less than t. Then I have to remove the match. And keep on start and if result equals to -1, then return empty string, and else return what we have to do is sub start and sub and one. That's all. Let's run this. What I got the value n. Dictionary sub character is 1 if I, oh sorry, yeah, and subscriptable, oh sorry, yeah, yeah, let's submit this. Yeah, it's running perfectly and it is quite efficient. So this is all the code. You can just try to learn from how I'm using. I just use 2 pointers as in starting and ending, and keep on increasing the s pointer till the point where I get all those values, and decreasing this window in a way such that I'm finding in this keep on decreasing the value. Okay, the starting, keep on increasing the pointer to the right side, and keep on checking. Okay, this is all the updating the value of the res, and the removing the character. And this I'm removing the character, removing the starting character from the window. And if by removing the characters we got the lesser value, suppose I have 2 a's, okay, I have a here also, and by decreasing I have suppose I have also 2, then I decrease to 1. So the 1 is and 2, this is not matchable, so I have to decrease this value to 1. This is this statement to this, and keep on increasing the start, keep on increasing the end, and that's all. I hope you understand the concept and know how to code. This is a Python code. You can just simply use this concept and use in C++ and Java. This is the main code. That's why I'm using the comments too. So that you can use and convert this thing into your own language like Python, Java, C++. Okay. The concept is same. This you have to using the Python. Okay, that's all. It's been a long video. Okay, hope you understand.